I'm interested in learning English. She apologized for being late. They talked about moving to another country. He's good at drawing cartoons. We're excited about traveling to Japan. I'm tired of waiting for the bus. She's afraid of flying. He left without saying goodbye. Thank you for helping me. I'm thinking about changing my job. I succeeded in passing the exam. He's responsible for organizing the event. I'm used to waking up early. They're worried about losing the match. She insisted on paying for dinner. A weekend to remember. Last weekend, Anna was excited about spending some time in the countryside. She had been thinking about taking a break for weeks. She was tired of working nonstop and needed to relax. Before leaving the city, she made a list of everything she needed. She was interested in exploring new hiking trails and looked forward to being surrounded by nature. When she arrived at the cabin, she couldn't stop smiling. She enjoyed listening to the birds and sitting by the lake. She even succeeded in starting a small fire without help, something she had never done before. On Sunday, she spent the afternoon reading and writing in her journal. Before going home, she thanked the host for offering such a peaceful place. She left without regretting a thing. Now she's back in the city, already planning her next trip.